So I'm here to present my slide on in vitro and in vivo anti-tumor studies of herbal plant extract from Amaranthus viridis. And I'm myself Pinky Cherian, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, St. Joseph College, Alappuzha, Kerala. Coming to the introduction, that have been used in modern and ancient era. Several plants has been used in Indian system of medicine and is considered to be having therapeutic potential. Here the study is on Amaranthus viridis. It's a weed considered, and it is also considered as a vegetable across Kerala, South Kerala. And it is in traditional medicine it is used as emollient, astringent, diuretic plant, and then also a blood purifier. In this study, we have used Dalton lymphoma ascites model for analyzing the anti-tumor property of Amaranthus viridis. Here, Amaranthus viridis, we have taken the ethanolic leaf extract and we have administered in the Swiss albino male mice, that is to reduce the solid tumor condition. This is the ethanolic extract from polar to non-polar solvents we have taken, and in that we have done the profiling. Anti-tumor studies were done using both cell lines and also in animal model. Cell lines, DLA cell lines was used, and animal model, solid tumor model has been administered. This is the extractive value that using Soxit we have extracted from polar to non-polar solvents. Here you could see that the non-polar solvents are showing only lesser yield when compared to that of the non-polar solvents. So the polar solvents was administered for the in vitro anti-tumor study. Here you could see that the live cells and the dead cells. When we administered the ethanolic extract, see here you could see 100% of reduction in the cell DLA cell lines. Here is the IC50 value. The least IC50 value is shown by the ethyl acetate extract, methanol extract, and ethanol extract. Thus, from based upon this conclusion, in vitro study, we have moved to solid tumor study, that is in vivo study in Amaranthus viridis. Ethanolic fraction was considered, and you could see that there is a reduction in tumor in 500 mg per kilo. This is the 3 dose that has been given 100, 200, and 500. And you could see that the reduction from 0.36 to 0.58 was observed. And this statistics was done using Dunnett t-test using SPSS software. And you could see that the drug used is cyclophosphamide, that is a standard drug that has been used. So you could see that there is a gradation in the or a decreasing condition of tumor in the 500 mg kilo body weight of the mice. 31 days we have administered. And this is the chemical hemoprofiling of that particular organism that we have taken for control 100, 200 and 500 mg dose of Amaranthus viridis. This is the standard we have used cyclophosphamide, and this is a normal mice. With normal mice we have compared the heme profile and showed a normal value. This is the mice that has been injected in the hind limb. This is the swollen tumor produced, and this is what is the condition of the mice. And we have seen the reduction of tumor in this by administering Amaranthus viridis 500 mg per kilo content. This is the after the drug treatment we have looked for the mean survival day. You could see that in the Amaranthus viridis 28 days average day mean survival was observed with 75% increase in the lifespan when compared to that of the cyclophosphamide drug. And when we took the histopathological study also, we could see that the liver and kidney were showing normal architecture. Coming to the liver, the architecture of the liver was orderly, and the structure was, the sinusoidal structures was almost perfect. And when we talk about the kidney also showed a normal renal structure and a normal glomerular and the renal tubules. So coming to the conclusion, we can say that these plants possess a lot of flavonoids, phenolic compounds that we have done in antioxidant studies, and from there only we have taken a small portion, that is in vitro and in vivo studies, and you could see that the cytotoxic property of this plant Amaranthus viridis helps in reducing the tumor cells, and also it is this tumor cell DLA cell line is showing resemblance to human tumor, and the phytocompounds like flavonoids and phenols are reducing the tumor group. So the study is finished. Thank you.